Oh man, this is so cool. I love this thing, leaf blowing, and also and for toilet paper. Look at that. That was so cool. All right, so what we're gonna do is this. We're gonna take this idea of a leaf blower and some toilet paper, and we're gonna have some fun tonight. It is the 4th of July, and most importantly, I don't know if you know this or not, but Mr. C, I travel all over the state in different parts of the country doing my hair-raising science at theaters. And behind me back there, I have my toilet paper 3000 Canon that I typically only get out for theater productions. I adapted it so that we could have some fun shooting toilet paper. But before we get started, I do want to talk about how this works just very briefly. As you can see here, I've got this toilet paper. It's just hanging here. Gravity's pulling it down. And because when I blow over the top of this toilet paper, I create a flow of air. And that flow of air has less pressure than the air underneath it. And this is Bernoulli's principle. We're defying gravity essentially. It's the same reason that an airplane can go high up in the sky and fly. We're gonna do that with toilet paper today by putting lots and lots of air over the top of this and then seeing the toilet paper launch. So are you guys ready? Are you ready to do some red, white, and blue toilet paper? That was horrible. Let's do it, come on. I am so excited about this Toilet Paper 3000 experiment tonight because it is so patriotic, and we have our red, white, and blue toilet paper. I've never had red toilet paper, I've never had blue toilet paper, and to shoot them off of this cannon is something special this evening, and we're here doing it with all of you. So let's get started. I need a countdown in 3, 2, 1. And there it is, everybody. We have our amazing toilet paper still falling down from the sky. Happy 4th of July. We hope you enjoy that. And this is something you can do at home when you're done blowing the leaves. Have some fun with it. Remember, science is awesome. Bernoulli's principle. We'll see you later.